with 750 watts of power, a 505-pound payload capacity, and something called sensor swap technology, is the Nomad 2 going to be the hottest bike of 2025? Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. That's what we're going to find out today as we unbox the Nomad 2, put it together, take it for a spin, and grade it on fit, form, and function. Looks like all together, and I got to tell you, she's gorgeous. I love this cranberry red. Oh, it's beautiful. And you'll notice this huge saddle. Yep, that's part of their comfort package. I love it. I'll tell you about that more in just a minute. But I got to say, if you like to do the whole unboxing experience, you'll love the Nomad 2. Look how they have everything. It's categorized. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You get a toolkit, owner's manual. Everything is where it needs to be. So easy to put together. So like I said, we have a 750 watt, 90 Newton meter motor, 65 mile range. This is a 100 millimeter hydraulic fork on the front. Usually they're about 80 millimeters. You have 26 by 4 inch Kendra, anti-puncture tires, and like I mentioned, a 505 pound payload capacity. And for the first time ever, they give you a tow rating. This will tow 1,000 pounds. I don't know how or why or whatever, but they put it on there, which I think is just fantastic. It is waterproof. The battery is IPX7 waterproof. The battery is hidden right here behind the sign Velotric. The body itself is IPS6 rated waterproof. The Comfort Max system, okay? So it's a number of things that kind of work together. You have this extra large saddle. You have a shock absorber beneath it right there. You have an adjustable stem, which this part right here will go up and down, okay? And you have a low step over. This comes in 2 models. This is a step through, and they have another one that is a step over, and it's lower than other step overs, which means it's easier to get on and off of, which I think is fantastic. I'm so excited. I am so excited about trying this extra wide saddle right here. Okay, you have a color display, 3.5 inches. You have a very cool headlight right here that is adjustable, and this is going to turn with you. It's not attached to the frame itself. It's going to turn with you, which is going to give you better visibility at night. And I got to tell you, I'm really excited about this sensor swap technology. It is both a torque and a cadence sensor. So how does that work? I don't know. We're going to figure it out. But it's supposed to be smooth. It's supposed to be integrated. It's got the torque when you need it, which means when you're pushing down on the pedals, it's going to kick in. And it's got the cadence sensor. So as you're just going around and around, it's going to continue to help you ride the bike right there. Look at all of the gears. That is fantastic. That is so cool. Here is your gear shift system right here. 8 speeds on this one. And there is a 2-year warranty, which is fantastic. And they give you a Velotric app so you can track your rides and everything else, okay? This also works with, yeah, look at that, Apple tags. Love it, love it, love it. So it's getting dark right now. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time on this, and I'll take you with me on a ride tomorrow morning, and we're gonna go have some fun. But I think it's a good looking bike. It is beefy, it was packaged so well, so nice, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow. So we'll see you then. All right, let's see what this Velotric is all about. I gotta tell you, I'm excited. Look how wide the seat is. Look at my shadow. How you doing there, buddy? Yeah, this is for my badunkadunk, and it's gonna love it a lot. I can tell you, the battery is fully charged. We have a couple of settings right here on the bike itself. Let me see if I can show you. Look how clear it is in the daylight. Look at that. We have trail, we have torque. There we've got boost, eco. What's this button do? Oh, that's kind of a, you can go calories, your odometer, motor temperature, controller temperature, elapsed time, trip distance. You got to be kidding me. Look at that. Okay, and also, if you look real quick, I have a turn signal. See that? We have turn signals. These electric bikes are getting way crazy. So let's go to trail. No, let's go to boost. We're going full power, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pedal assist. And I'm excited about this because it's been a minute since I have reviewed a bike. All right, we had a little problem with the camera. We are all situated now. I was telling you how much I love this riding position. This is so comfortable. I'm sitting upright. I've got the shock underneath the saddle right here, your seat. And then I've got the front fork with extra travel. Usually you get about 80 millimeters of travel. This is a 100 millimeter travel. Look at this. Okay, let's try the little motor. 750 watts, 90 Newton meters of torque. Look at the, oh, I love, love, love this display. Oh, that's incredible. Let's go. We're going max out. We're maxing out everything here. Okay, now, if you remember, because it's been a while, I go down the roughest road in my neighborhood and I come up the steepest hill because I'm going to test the suspension and then I'm going to test the torque. So this is the really terrible part of the ride. And I just kind of coast down here, and on purpose, I go through all of the bumps, divots, potholes, whatever I can find, because I want to test the suspension. And I can feel the saddle soaking up some of the bumps. I really can. I will say that the foam on the saddle is really hard. I wish it was a little softer, but it is wide. I can tell you it's way wider than your average saddle. And this is getting really kind of bumpy right here. Wow. Okay. We're getting close to 5 o'clock, so a lot of folks are coming home from work. They're done, but I'm working right now. But my job is way funner than theirs. Okay. That was not bad at all. That was really comfortable. Okay, let me get up to top gear. Here we go. And then we're going to turn around and we're going to come up Torque Hill. I'm expecting great things, so I got to put my hat on. We're going to switch the hat. No, we're going to keep it on like this. We're just going to tighten it up. Okay. Here comes another car. Now, Torque Hill. Anything above 12 is a passing grade. I am considering making it 13 because bikes seem to be a little more powerful these days. So let's just kind of see what we've got in this little torque monster. The Nomad 2, 18, 19, 20, 20.8. Now we're slowing down a little bit. 19, 18.8, 18.4. We are way above 12. We are so 17, 16.9, 16.5. And I got to tell you, I'm doing this one-handed. And I'm loving the feel of the steering wheel. It's not really laid back a lot. It's more of an upright steering wheel, which in my opinion gives you more room to move, and it's going to steer way better. So this is 15. Oh gosh, absolutely. She did good. Wow, 15, 16, 18. Let's go max out. 20, 21, 22. 22.6. Now I can pedal and we can get way above that. Whoa, I like this. And I do like the fact that you can switch between boost and eco, so you're going to get maximum distance under eco. And then you have trail, so if you want to take this out off-road and go up and down some trails, the tires are knobby enough. They'll get you where you want to go, but then they're not super loud here on the pavement either. Let's go back to boost. This is really nice. I need to tighten up my camera. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. You know what? This could be one of the quietest bikes I've ridden, both in terms of the motor and the tires. Now I'm going up a pretty steep hill, and I am in 8th gear, so I'm in top gear, and the bike is making it so easy to go up this hill because it's kicking in and helping me. Okay, we got the torque sensor on right now. Here comes another car. They think they're king of the road. I'm king of the road and my Nomad too. Yes, sir. I came up that hill like nothing. So if you're looking for a bike that is an easy step through, super quiet bike, one that will let you exercise those hip joints, the knee joint, the ankle joint, you know what I'm talking about. This could be something for you. And the color selection is amazing. They are all beautiful colors. And the brakes are silent. Let's do a hard stop. Oh yeah, they didn't squeak at all. We'll do it again up here. Yeah, let's do a hard stop. Oh gosh, super nice. This is so comfortable, and it is so maneuverable. Look at this. Just a little bit of turning and you're off and running. Look at that. We used to do that going uphill as a kid. We used to think that would help us. Back when I had a Stingray with a banana seat and sissy bars. Hi. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll do some gear shifts. So even though you don't have to shift gears. This bike is so powerful. It'll get you up any kind of a hill in top gear. But here I am in, what is this? This looks like about 6th gear. You can see the torque sensor, when I push down, that's when the torque sensor kicks in. Oh yeah. She is really nice. I just can't get over how quiet it is. Tires, quiet. Bicycle, quiet. Motor, quiet. Commentator, he talks too much. But other than that, it's fine. I can still see this too. Whatever they've done to the screen is amazing. I mean, this is bright sunlight. And it's just perfect. All right, if I have talked you into checking out the Velotric Nomad 2, if you get the step-through model, you have several choices in color. They have olive, they have this cranberry red, which is gorgeous. They also have slate, and they have midnight blue, some very, very beautiful colors. If you would prefer to have the step-over model, it's a little easier to step over, so it's not as high as some of the other step-overs. You get 2 choices in colors. You can get it in sage, or once again, the midnight blue. I put the pictures up there on the screen for you. Cost-wise, it is retailing for about $2,099, so it's a little less than $2,100. But watch the websites. I'll see if I can get a discount code for you too. But always watch, because they're always offering coupons and discounts. And as competitive as the electric bike market is, there's a reason for coupons and sales, all right? But I gotta tell you, I love this thing. To start off 2025 in one of the quietest bikes that I've ever ridden and one of the most comfortable, it's gonna be a good year. It's gonna be a very, very good year for bike reviews. All right, everybody, let's get it home. We'll put school in session and we're gonna give her grades on fit, form, and function. First up, fit. That is how the bike was packaged and protected. Absolutely an A. This thing was so well protected with so much foam and styrofoam and zip ties. There is not a scratch on this paint anywhere. This cranberry is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So an A for fit. Form, the way the bike looks, well, you tell me. Look at it. Color, perfect. Black, 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 gorgeous. You got the silver lettering right here. You have a hidden battery right here, which is fantastic. The pedals are so comfortable. And this saddle right here, like I said, it's stiff, but it is wide and it feels good on your you know what, absolutely. You also get a shelf back here. You have turn signals. You have adaptive lighting, which means the screen is going to increase the brightness or decrease the brightness depending on the sunlight coming into the situation. You can charge your phone. You can switch between the torque sensor and the cadence sensor, so whichever you prefer. I'm a torque sensor guy myself, so that's what I left it on. This bike is so versatile. It has the 3 riding modes. It's incredible. So for form, absolutely, yeah, we're going to give it an A. And function, I was smiling the whole time. It is powerful. You have a 63-mile range, 90 Newton meters of torque. Like I said, I left it in high gear, in the 8th gear, and I just pedaled everywhere I wanted to go and enjoyed every single rotation of the pedals. And if I got tired, boop, boop, let the bike do all the work for you. So absolutely an A across the board, A. I love it, I love it, I love it. We're gonna have more information for you in the description box below the bike. So a huge thank you to Velotric for letting me check out this new bike. It is new for 2025. It is an amazing bike, and I do highly, highly recommend it. I've tested very expensive bikes and very inexpensive bikes. This one is worth every single penny. It really is, all right? Thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another electric bike review coming up very, very soon. Goodbye.